Hey guys, how we doing? Hope everybody's doing all right, staying safe, staying sane. So, just real quickly, if you're bored out of your mind at home and you're missing that social connection, what I've been doing personally, I've been calling people I haven't called and talked to on the regular. I have friends from a lot of my friends are scattered across the country. Just been kind of just reconnecting with people. I think with that social isolation, you're talking to the same humans over and over again. So being able to talk to somebody different, call a friend, FaceTime a friend, use Zoom, use Skype, use Google, use all these technologies, and it can help alleviate some of that isolation you may feel. Anyway, hope you guys are doing okay. Email me if you need something. Stuff's going on. Please, please, please reach out if you need something. I'm here for you guys. So hopefully you've done this already. Shadows, light, and mirrors. I'm going to grade that today. Technically, it's not due till 9 a.m. on Monday morning for those that have to work and have other responsibilities, right? So I've also put this up. I was going to put up a full-length test. Man, it just took me way longer than I thought. I spent about 2 hours just doing this one last night. So this is the no calculator portion of it. I'm supposed to only give you 25 minutes. I gave you 30 minutes, I believe, because I think the questions are gonna load slow, and I apologize. So just know that I gave you more time. Is this required? No. Will this help your grade? Yes. Will this hurt your grade if you do it? No. So if you do this, I'll take your 2 lowest practices pre-COVID and make them the 100%. So that's that. If you didn't do Shadows, Light, and Mirror quiz by 9 a.m. this morning, it's going to close. You will get an I. I means incomplete. I will text your parents, tell me you didn't do it. And just know, guys, straight up, if you don't do the assignments, the one assignment a week I'm going to grade, right? And if you're not doing it, don't expect to pass my class, just straight up. If there's other issues going on, please let me know. I'm a reasonable human. So if you can communicate with me, but if you just if you're signing the attendance every day and not doing the assignments I'm grading, well, then you're not going to get credit. It's like showing up to class every day, but then not doing a test or leaving the test completely blank. You're not going to pass. So just keep that in mind, guys, to make expectations are clear. But if something comes up, all you have to do is email me or put the question in the attendance tracker, because I say list any questions here. I don't know if you guys noticed this. I've been answering every question that students have as they come in. So I kind of check that attendance tracker throughout the day, see what questions people have, and I answer them. So most people know what's happening. So you're like, okay, Mr. Smith, we get it. So today, this week, what we're going to learn, let me turn this off real quick. Today, what you're going to learn, I didn't know it, is, man, bedhead. So we're going to learn this phenomenon here. You may, right? Here's a glass of water. This is a straw. Like, Mr. Smith, what about the turtles? It's a silicone reusable straw, people. Everybody relax, okay? So this, if you look at this here, into this phenomenon as to why it looks bigger, right, here than here. You guys can see that. This is actually better than my last 2 takes I've done. So that's called refraction. We've talked about reflection. Now we're talking about refraction. So refraction is a phenomenon like that we just saw there. Also, why one of the most valuable items on our planet, a diamond, has the highest index of refraction on the planet of any substance that we know. I think. Right? I'm pretty sure that's true. So why that, what that does and how that works, and then applying Snell's law. To understand how glasses work, you need to understand the phenomenon of refraction first. So that's why we're going to do that. So then we're going to learn how glasses work to make you guys that wear glasses, either near, farsighted, or astigmatism, how that actually works. So that's what we're going to be doing this week. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. I had a couple students ask, where's that thing at? It's not going to let me do. Okay, there it is. A couple students asked me, are we just going to be doing videos and assignment on Friday? Yeah, that's what I'm asked to do by my bosses. But once we get into the electricity unit, I'm going to try stuff a little bit different. But this unit I pretty much have set up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my student resources page. You're going to go there today as well, hopefully. And let's see where I'm recording. So So everything here, everything's highlighted is fair game. I'm going to add stuff to this later on this week. But what I want you to do today, for sure, A11, read through the notes and maybe take some notes. You don't have to copy everything down. Just whatever you find interesting, think you need to know. So one more thing I'm going to show you. We need to really watch this video. Let's see. Bear with me again. I got to move it all to one browser based on how it records. So on this A11, I think I said, slide 6. This video, oh, come on. Ridiculous. This video on slide 6, this one you need to watch, maybe watch it multiple times. And you can go to 339 in to save you some time. A great analogy explaining it. So if it doesn't make sense to you, it's okay, but I think it's a really good analogy explaining it. Does the light bend towards or away from the normal? That he makes really good sense there. This is the guy that I really like, Paul Bozeman out of Montana. So anyway, so everything highlighted on there is fair game. Today, what I really want you to focus on in the student resources page, I'll put this on the announcement, A11, B4, and if you don't understand that, you can watch this video here on C3. Ironically, I'm wearing the exact same shirt in that video as I'm wearing this morning, just serendipity. So anyway, if you want to do a Google Meets, all you gotta do is email me. If you want to get a group of friends together and do Google Meets, ask me questions, right? Class competition, Blue PM1 won the last one. You got a barbecue coming whenever this crap's over, and it will be over. It is going to finish. It will be done eventually. We just don't know the timeline. The last 6 weeks, that class is going to decide what I shave this into at the very end of the year. I'll do that for a couple days, for a video or two, and then I'll just shave it all off like I normally do. And then you guys will also get a barbecue on pause. Okay? But what that's going to entail, it's going to be based on attendance rate by 5 p.m. You got to get your attendance in by 5, please. They keep changing when I have to do this. I think they wanted it technically by 3, but I'm going to put it in at 5 until they say otherwise, just to give you more time. But literally, the attendance takes 30 seconds to do. You could do it on your phone. So even if you're working, you could take attendance to help your class and then do the stuff later, right? So classroom competition, that starts today. Attendance by 5 p.m., please. Sooner the better, right? Google Meets, I'm available for that. If you want to, you just got to initiate with email. I'm not doing it with an entire class. That's no, thank you. Yes, stay safe. Email me if you need stuff, guys. Please, please, please. Take care. Hope all is well. And yeah, goodbye.